We are exploring the local area.
Come here.
We seem to have an escapee. Are you an escapee? Oh my god, she's going to break my legs.
That's an escapee.
Okay. Right, we're heading down by here. This is the tree that stole our dead cat. I'll order another one off Amazon when we get home. Ethel. So we're going to go over that footbridge and down the Priest Arm towards Whixall Marina. Achoo! 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 Ooh, heck. Pollen. So that road is to Llangollen. Well, not road, obviously. That's the Priest branch. That's where Narrowboat Potteries is living for now. It's beautiful around here. It's very quiet. This is one of the two lift bridges on the Priest Arm. I don't think it's a very busy. I think it just goes to the house, to be honest. Now, is this the one of these is quite peculiar in that it's got a twist on it. I seem to remember seeing somewhere.
Yeah,
now there's either a one-legged person running around with no shoes on, or it's not yours, is it? Or somebody's fallen in the canal.
No, I think they've been pushing the boats out.
This is the second lift bridge on the Priest Arm. There's actually 48-hour moorings there, but it would be a bit of a kerfuffle. We've already passed one lift bridge, so you'd either have to go all the way down to the marina and turn around, or reverse. It should be a bit of a hassle. No, we're not coming down here. Tempting, but self-sufficient. Oh, there's Knobhead.
Where?
She's going to take Tom swimming.
Ethel, try now.
Is she taking you swimming?
Well, I don't go any lower because I'd never get back up.
She loves dirty water.
Huh?
She loves dirty water.
Why don't I?
Come here. Ah! You never know if she's gonna. My first boxer did that on me once, and I stooped down. Thought he'll go one side or the other, and he headbutted me straight in the chest. And Ethel's not really known for her intelligence.
You notice how she's running away?
It's getting shorter.
Yeah. She's funny.
Ethel, come here. Down. Good girl. Good girl. Come on.
Come on, off we go. That'll just prove we can do it. Nobody got these yet.
As long as there's nobody around. Because she will go and love them to death. And being loved to death by Ethel's not everybody's pot of tea. Those are quaint. Cross between a Romany gypsy traveller's caravan, a porter cabin and a storage container. I wonder what's inside them. Yeah, that'd do me. One of them and a mooring next to it. That one's been done out quite nicely, actually. Oh, very quaint. Whixall Marina. It's a very pleasant place. I don't know much about Whixall Marina, so if anybody does, would like to tell us in the comments below. It looks pretty nice. We'll just walk down there, see how far we can get. You didn't know what's down here. Low hanging branches, and Tom, no, you said watch your face. So I was watching my face. He didn't say anything about it watching my head. So I'll just scrape.
Put it this way: if there's a chance John could knock his head, he will. I bet his head's got more scars on it than I've had hot dinners and look at my stomach.
I shouldn't have such a big head.
He's got no perception of where things are.
Well, I am practically blind in one eye.
I'm saying nothing.
I've got wobbly knees. Does anybody know what these are for? They look like fidget spinners for birds. Oh, fidget spinners. Oh, that's what they're called, isn't it?
Fidget.
Fidget.
I don't.
Anyway, fidget spinners.
Is it not for fishermen? It's over now.
They're only on the power cables over the canal. So, comment below, please. Priest branch again. Coming back. That's the junction with the Llangollen. Technically it's not the Llangollen, it's the Llangollen arm of the Shropshire Union Canal. And then we'll be back on Narrowboat Potteries. Right. Llangollen that way. Not Twitch that. Well, it says there. Helston. No idea what that means. I was just saying, I have no idea what that means. Well, is it? We're in England, we're not even in Wales. Well, I bet they get a lot of people ignoring it if they don't know what it means. And we're back in the room. We haven't quite had any neighbours since we've been out.